For my baby girl.
That's good. Is that good chocolate? No, she's gonna use it like a spoon. Look at that. You're one smart cookie, huh, Funky? Eat the chocolate. Eat the chocolate.
So until that happens. Sweet girl. My little chocolate face. Chocolate facey.
You're gonna get a sugar rush. That's what she's gonna get.
That's alright. I get her primed and eat her French fries and everything else.
Okay. Oh, you
needs
got
a napkin.
chocolate everywhere.
That's alright. That makes for a good picture and video. Ain't that right, Alyssa?
Here.
Chocolate face.
You want to stick your finger in it?
Yeah.
You want the spoon? No? Just your fingers? Okay. Is it good? What is that? What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. It's okay. Is it good? No, you can't have both. It's gonna make a mess, Timmy.
That's alright. She's my sweet girl. She can make a mess.
No.
Yes, you can. You're my baby girl.
Yeah.
And my baby girl can make a mess.
No.
Yes.
Let's see your hands. You make a big mash? Yeah. You want more?
No?
No cake? You just want the frosting?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Timmy got it for me.
Yeah, Timmy got it for you.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
Timmy got it for you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Timmy loves you. Timmy likes to get sugar from you. That's what it costs Timmy to get sugar from you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sugar is... You figured it out. Monkey. You want French fries now? No? You want chocolate milk? You want chocolate milk? Pumpkin. A milky? No?
Silly.
Yeah, baby.
You silly?
No.
Uh-oh, we're gonna have to change your gown. You're gonna have to tell the nurse to give you a new one. Because you're all full of chocolate.
Little chocolate facey. Little chocolate facey.
What a mess. What a mess.
Nanny.
It's yummy.
That's a special.
Huh? What'd you say? Oh, no, you're getting chocolate.
She's gonna
everywhere. Oh, she already has it all over her.
Right.
Look, show Uncle Timmy the mess you made. Show
Yeah.
Uncle Timmy.
Look at that. Oh
all
boy.
dirty chocolate.
Chocolate girl.
Nah,
You're sweet all over. You're sweet all over. Yes, you are.
No.
Chocolate everywhere. Let me see your face. Come.
Mom.
Yeah. Daddy's coming now. You're gonna have to explain yourself.
Oh yeah, from with Olivia
Yeah.
and Roman or no?
Yeah. Olivia keeps saying, I want to go see my sister. I want to see my sister.
Okay.
You want to see your sister? Olivia? And Roman? Daddy?
Ow.